Hello everyone, my name is Nabil Adar. I am from Group 2 and I'm also the leader of Group 2. So today I'm going to start the presentation first by introducing our members and also then start to explaining about the general idea of our project. So let me introduce myself. My name is Nabil Alcara. I'm the leader of Group 2 and also the integrator, which will work both in front end and also the back end for this project. And as you see, we also have Mohammed bin Zain, which will be responsible for the design as a whole. And then we also have Rashfin, which is working on the back end for this project. We also have Surya Breta, which acts as a documenter, the scrum master, and basically the project manager, product manager. And finally, we have Afaf, which will work on the front end for this project. So with that being said, now let's talk about the project idea. Now, the app CommuniCare is an app that tries to improve the life quality, the quality of life for people living in high-rise apartment buildings. In this, where communities are highly crammed up together with very minimal social interaction. So this app, which actually stems from a our personal experience as we try to apply the design thinking method of trying to empathize with users in trying to find problems that we think we can find a solution for. So the project we are developing right now is an application, a centralized application for residences and also the management of the buildings. So we want to streamline the process of booking facilities and also reporting problems in these communities. So before we explain why we, so let's actually talk about why we decide to solve these two problems that we feel like it's a problem. So right now, if you ever live in a community like this, you will feel that you, you will feel that you waste a lot of time trying to do these activities. So for example, you want to book a pool table in the apartment as a facility. This process usually takes quite a long time as you would need to go to the management office in your very busy schedule. You have to put aside time for that, and then you need to come to the office in person. You need to talk to people, and you need to fill a form, and this all maybe takes an hour, 2 hours minimum. And same goes for reporting problems. Let's say you have water leaking out of the roof, and then let's say this is an urgent matter. You will need to go to the office. You'll need to talk to the management, and then you need to fill a form. You wait for appointment and all sorts of stuff. Now let's think about the solution. So with this app, you can then do all of this straight from your phone, straight from wherever you are, and then also communicate with the management office, with the residences straight away. So this minimizes time for everybody involved and also streamlines the process so much better than just doing it the old way. So we also think about the possibilities to improve this app as well, which when we think about people, residences that live in this kind of environment, in this kind of where we see very minimum social interaction within another, it will be also a good idea if we can try to provide some kind of a job marketplace where social interaction can happen in a form of posting offers. So offers here are maybe an example of trying to get someone to help you. So for example, I am going to get out for a few days and I need someone to take care of my dog. So with this app in the future, you could then post a job offer of handling your dog for a few days, trying to take care of the home, and then you can also put the price tag that you would pay for this. So finally, with that all being said, that so in general, we try to solve just the trying to improve the quality of life by solving problems like this.
For the problem background and analysis part, we compared our proposed application with the Kita app. So there are a few features provided by Kita apps, which are view property details and schedule appointment. So our proposed application, which is CommuniCare, we decided to come up with two main features, which are booking facilities and reporting problems. So by providing these features, this application works as a communication platform between residents and management. By this, they can easily report problems and be assisted by staff, or if they need to book any facilities.
So hi, my name is Muhammad bin Zain Muhammad. So I would like to explain about problem statement. This project came to fruition because of the need to make the lives of the community living in high-rise buildings better. It is in our status quo that the people living in this kind of community are hard to come by one another and discuss what a usual form of other community would do. There is this implicit association in communities like this where people will be neighbors but not really know each other. This project will then try to make the process of two main features of reporting problems and also booking facilities. Most apartments nowadays work on a manual system with papers and people needing to be directly meeting face to face to do this mundane task. But with the help of this app, they will be able to do this from the comfort of their homes by using the app. This is because the app will act as communication platform between the residents and management. They can easily report problems and be assisted by the staff or in the case they require to book facilities.
Next are the objectives. The first objective is to streamline the task of reporting problems among the community's residents. Next is to streamline the task of booking facilities among the community's residents. The third is to be an effective and practical platform that acts as a communication channel between residents and management. Last but not least is to act as an indirect communication platform among residents.
The proposed solution is to develop an application with two main features, which are ability to report problems and to book facilities in advance. The goal is to make this application more user-friendly and enable residents to interact with their neighbors indirectly to strengthen their relationship. We believe that these two features can ease residents' daily lifestyle as they do not have to find any third party to get the job done.
Alright, so basically this one I will explain about Sketch of UI. So I already design it for register or login pages, a book facilities page, file a complaint and view some complaints or view some book facilities for administrator. So basically for register or login, as you can see there already some design for it, just a design. You can create a new account or you can already, if you already registered, you just can log in over there. And then for requirement, as you can see, as a name, email, password and house number or block itself lah. And then for the book facilities, as you can see, we have a search bar button and then we have a book button and then home button, so it's easy for us. And then for file a complaint, as you can see, we can complain some things or issues or in our apartment or in our blocks. So basically all we need to do is put our name, put our house number or block, and then we can write a complaint, basically write a text what we need to complain and put some picture if we need one, if we need. So for the next one, just view as an admin or as a staff or management can view a complaint or view a book facilities. So yeah, that's all.
For the use case, we can see here the tenant will be able to register, log in, book facilities and file a complaint via our app. While the owner and developer can view bookings, the management will be able to view both bookings and complaints.
Next, onto human resource. So this is our team members, their roles and responsibilities. Firstly, Nabil is our project manager who monitor the project progress in Jira, ensure stakeholders are satisfied with the project and evaluate project performance. Next is Rashvin, our system developer who develop the system and ensure databases meet user requirements. Surya is the project secretary who produce agenda, document minute meetings and prepare presentation slide. Muhammad is the system designer who design low fidelity prototype for the system and develop interface design. And lastly, Afaf is the system analyst who identify business rules and flow, gather information and analyze requirements, and identify system boundaries. Lastly, this is the Gantt chart of our project. So we have 15 weeks in total. for the first 4 weeks, where we identify the problem statement, propose project solution, identify project objective and scopes, identify system boundaries, and identify the current business rules and flow. In week 5, we had started develop the interface design and low fidelity prototype. We had meeting with stakeholders in week 6 and right away start developing the system code. Next, we developed the final system in week 11 to week 15. The system testing will be done from week 13 to week 15. Lastly, the document process in report will be done from week 1 to week 15. That is all from our group. Thank you.